G'day viewers, welcome back to another one. Hope everyone's having a good start to the new year and getting ready for lots of refining and lots of that yellow stuff. Today is a very quick video for you. I had some chocolate for over the Christmas period, and I was thinking that perhaps the wrapper might have gold leaf on it. I doubt it, but there's only one way to find out, and that's to test it. And then I think, so since I'm going to test it, I might as well make a video. It's not by any means a cheap chocolate, so it just might have gold leaf. So I'll show you what I've got. I've got this Ferrero Rocher, a whole pile of wrappers here. I only need one to test it, and if it does have gold leaf, then I'll process all of these. So in a second I'll go outside and we'll put some in hydrochloric acid. The aluminium on this side, aluminium is very, very reactive to acid. If you understand your reactivity series of metals, which all of you should know because it's a major part of this refining, you'd know that aluminium is extremely reactive. And I'm thinking that if that is gold leaf, then what will happen is the aluminium will dissolve and I'll be left with all these pieces of gold leaf floating in this solution. If it's only gold coloured aluminium, then the whole lot will dissolve and I'll be left with nothing. So it won't take long to find this out. Just before I go outside, I wanted to show you all my Facebook page. I don't know if I've told you about this before, and some of you have asked how you can contact me, how you can send me photos. If you go to this site and message me, it comes up with Facebook Messenger. You can send me photos and videos and just generally chat to me, ask questions, and this figured to be an easy way for you to get hold of me. Alternatively, you know my email address, peter030970@gmail.com, which is where people who are in a position to support me and my page are able to send information to me for, you can use that email address for PayPal, or like some people, they send me the details for Western Union. Some people send me money through Western Union. So these are the ways you can get hold of me. Okay, so for now we'll go outside and we'll put some in aluminium in solution. Okay, so I've got a coffee pot there. It's a little dirty, but it's alright, it's only for a test. Won't hurt. I'll use a clean vessel when I'm going to refine the gold. But for now, I'll just put some hydrochloric acid in, that should be plenty. And I'll put this in there. I don't see any violent reaction, which I was quite surprised about. Maybe just give it a bit of a poke under. It also helps when the acids are hot, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on the heat. It's not hot, I've only just turned up to sort of 1 to warm it up a bit. And then I'll come back later on and see what's going on with it. If there's a gold foil floating in there, I'll be very happy. And if that's the case, then I'll put a bit of nitric in there and dissolve it. And we'll come back, there we go, starting to react now. There you go, see, I told you it was violently reactive. We'll see what happens, we'll watch it for a bit. Doesn't look like gold leaf to me. So the aluminium's almost all gone. And it looks like plastic with just some colouring on it. Because that would still be a big foil if that was gold. I think that's conclusive that that's not gold. Well, we'll leave it in there for a while and see what happens. I'll give it a stir. I don't know what that colouring is. It's not gold leaf. We'll see if it disappears over time. Okay, it's been sitting for a couple of hours now, and I'd like to say that it's a fail, but I can't be certain because there is something here. It's not in the shape of a gold leaf what I would normally see, but it's still something there. So until I know for sure what that is, I'm going to keep this experiment going. So what I'm going to do now is put all of the stuff in there. Whoop, I don't need that in there. And once that's dissolved, I'm going to put a tiny bit of nitric in there. And I'm going to see if I can dissolve whatever that orange stuff is. Gold, whatever it was that was floating in there. So I'm going to let that sit for a bit, maybe put a little bit more hydrochloric acid in there. And once that's dissolved, I'll be back and I'll put some nitric in there. Once again, there's a good reaction, which is expected from aluminium in acid. I'll be back soon. Okay, even though heat is not required since aluminium is so reactive to acid, I have it on a low heat. I want every chance to try and dissolve whatever this orange stuff is. It's clearly not just orange aluminium, or would it be gone by now? So I have a little bit of hydrochloric acid in there, and now I'm going to pour in some nitric to make aqua regia, just to see what this is in there. That's all I need, just a little bit. If I need more later, I'd rather add it later than to put too much in now. As I keep saying, that's the number one mistake everyone makes, they put too much nitric in. So we'll see how that goes. I'll give it a bit of a stir. I won't use my metal fork because someone commented about that before, so I'll use a pipette. I know this is plastic. This, whatever's in here is plastic. But the orange, whatever was orange on the plastic is still there. And I don't know if that's gold leaf or not. I'm actually amazed. I really thought this was going to be a fail, and I thought this would be finished by now, this video. But it's surprising me because there's obviously something there. This might just be, I don't want to say it yet, but it might just be gold. Anyway, I'll give that some time to work. I'll be back. Okay, so it's been on for a couple of hours easy now. It's only a very low heat, just warm if anything. And I think anything that would be in there would be dissolved. So I'm just going to get a sample. And let's see what's in there. I don't think for a second that there is actually going to be gold in there. But I'll tell you what, if there is, I'll be racing out and buying every single packet I can find. Wait. No. It's a negative. Nothing there. So it's a bust, just as I thought, but it was worth a try. You never know. You know, just could be throwing it in the bin and never know. So that's it, guys. But thanks for watching, and thank you for the new subscribers. I've had again quite a few this week. I appreciate it very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.